Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and gathering recovery material. This prevents accidental data loss and legal issues. Once done, make sure your backups are accessible and current. You want a copy of anything encrypted. Verify linked accounts or recovery keys that the vendor or OS uses, because those are the legitimate paths to remove an unlock requirement. You will avoid trying unsupported hacks. Instead, prepare documentation and credentials so the next steps are straightforward and reversible. You should use the vendor-provided recovery tools rather than ad hoc methods, because official flows handle keys and metadata correctly. Once you access a trusted recovery portal or local utility, follow its prompts to remove or reset the decryption passphrase. These tools often re-encrypt or migrate keys safely. If the storage is managed by an employer, make sure you coordinate with IT so policies and backups remain intact. This approach limits risk and protects data authenticity. Finish by confirming you can open all expected files and that file integrity matches your backups. Then create a new, secure credential plan to prevent future lockouts. If you encounter failures, stop attempting random fixes. Repeated destructive actions can make recovery impossible. Instead, capture exact error messages and timestamps, then escalate to vendor support or a certified recovery service. This preserves evidence and increases the chance of recovery without compromising security or breaking legal obligations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.